Welcome to SimpliSafe Camera Setup 2025. In this video, we'll explore all the fantastic features of the SimpliSafe camera and guide you through a seamless setup process. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. You'll find the camera, a power supply, mounting hardware, and quick start guide. Before we start, make sure you have the necessary tools ready: a drill, a screwdriver, and a level to ensure perfect alignment. Step 1 is to find the perfect location for your camera. Look for a spot with a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Next, we'll mount the camera. Use the provided screws and anchors to secure it firmly and make sure it's straight with the level. Now let's connect the camera to power. Plug in the power supply and ensure it's secure. With the camera powered on, it's time to sync it with your SimpliSafe base station. Follow the on-screen instructions in your app. Next, download the SimpliSafe mobile app from your preferred app store. Setting it up is quick and easy. Once the app is installed, follow the prompts to connect your camera. It should only take a few minutes. Finally, let's optimize your camera settings and notifications to ensure you get the most out of your SimpliSafe experience.